The maximum shear stress in a beam of square section 10 cm side bending about its diagonal subjected to shear force 100 Newton is. Okay, we know the equation of shear stress tau equal to VA y bar divided by IB. Okay, V is the shear force, that is 100 Newton. We need to find out the area of the top portion or area of this top portion, that is about neutral axis. We need to find out the area of this section, that is this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 root 2. Okay, then we will get the area as A equal to half into base 10 root 2, height height is 10 root 2 divided by 2, that is 10 root 2 divided by 2. After solving we will get 100 by 2, 50 centimeter square. Area is 50 centimeter square. Y bar is the distance from the centroid of section above neutral axis. Then y bar will be 1 by 3 of 10 root 2 by 2, that is y bar is around 2.35 centimeters. Okay, then moment of inertia I is a raised to 4 divided by 12, since it is a square section, that is 10 raised to 4 divided by 12, that is 833.33. B is 10 root 2. After solving, we will get the maximum shear force tau as 0.99 Newton per centimeter square. The answer close to this answer is 1 Newton per centimeter square.